In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name colors in Google Calendar. This little trick can be a game changer for organizing your calendar visually, making it incredibly easy to distinguish between different types of events at just a glance. Whether it's work meetings, personal appointments, or specific project deadlines, assigning unique colors can drastically improve your time management skills. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, the site will prompt you to do so. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're making changes to your calendar and not someone else's if you share a device. Once you're logged in and looking at your calendar, the next step is to find the specific calendar you want to customize. Google Calendar allows you to have multiple calendars for different purposes, so identifying the right one is key. This could be your main calendar or any other calendar you've created for specific needs. Now let's get to the fun part, customizing your calendar with colors. Look for the 3 vertical dots located directly next to the calendar you wish to personalize. These dots are your gateway to calendar settings, including color customization. A simple click reveals a palette of colors you can assign to your calendar events. This is where your organization skills can really shine. Choose a color that represents the type of events you have scheduled. For example, select a soft blue for personal appointments, a bold red for work-related meetings, or perhaps a calm green for personal growth activities. The choice is entirely up to you. After selecting your color, the change occurs instantaneously. Each event associated with this calendar will now appear in your chosen color, making it incredibly easy to scan through your days or weeks and know exactly what type of commitments you have coming up. This not only makes your calendar more visually appealing, but also significantly increases its functionality. Remember, the beauty of this feature is that you can change and customize colors as often as you like. Your needs might evolve, or you might simply want to switch things up after a while. Feel free to revisit the color settings and adjust them according to your current preferences or organizational strategies. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to visually distinguish between different types of events in Google Calendar using colors. Utilizing this feature can greatly enhance how you use your calendar, turning it into a powerful tool for managing your time and responsibilities. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or looking to balance work and personal life, color coding your calendar entries is a simple step with impactful benefits. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Google Calendar. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below.